Making me an egg salad, y'all. I have mayo, relish, and mustard in there. And I'm about to add my onion and my Tony Chachere's. I'm about to add my onion powder. Add a little bit of onion powder. Season it, y'all. Season it. And I'm about to chop it up. Chop it, 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 chop it. So yeah, I've chopped it all up, y'all. And I'm about to put it on some wheat bread. And I have some dill chips, dill pickle chips that I'm going to eat it with. So I have my wheat bread. Ooh-wee. Hi, you guys. So I am eating a egg salad and some dill pickle chips. Drinking some water. Mm. 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 So good. Mm. This is my first meal of the day, y'all. First meal. Mm. 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 So good. So good. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Mm. I'm watching Bishop Jakes. Woman died was when he inducted Sarah into the church or however whatever it was called, but that's what I'm watching. Mm-hmm. I love dill pickle chips. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So good, y'all. So good. Mhm. So good. This egg salad sandwich is so good. Mhm. Mm. Mm. y'all. I'm full. I can't eat much these days, but it's so good. You ever had something you know you was full, but you just couldn't stop eating because it was so good? That's this. Y'all like egg salad? I love egg salad. What you put in yours? Comment down below. What you put in your egg salad? Mm. 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 I hope y'all can hear me. So I got the air going in the back and TV going in the front. So I don't know. I'm gonna listen to it before I record, before I post it, in case I have to do a voiceover. But TGIF. Mm. 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 I'm full. I'm full. I had this one bite. Can't throw it away. I made enough to last for so I can fix me some more later on. I bought only 2 eggs. Yeah. Like Miss Louisiana housewife, titty lives matter too. Titty lives matter. They gotta eat too. Mm. Okay, y'all. I just wanted to come on. It's been a long time since I posted a little come eat with me. So it started off as a TikTok reel, but I just continued it on. Happy Friday, y'all. TGIF. Y'all have a safe and wonderful weekend. Don't do nothing I do. Have fun. Be safe. Love y'all.